we were reading with Ahmed, right? Ahmed.
Yes, Mister.
يلا يا أحمد. Continue reading me.
Mister, I don't know which page. I came late.
Page 417, the check. بسرعة.
Okay. The equation C equal to P plus 3 represent the cost C in
Good.
dollars.
So here, guys, wait يا أحمد. Here, the equation is given. The equation is what? Given. So if the equation is given, the question wants us to what?
Graph
To
it.
graph it, to graph the equation. Continue, Ibni.
In dollars of ordering P pounds of personalized jelly beans from an online store with a $3 shopping fee. Graph
Good.
the relationship on the coordinate plane.
Good. So we'll graph the relationship, this one, in the coordinate plane. Now you have the coordinate plane in the question. We are on page 417 in the check, guys. You have the coordinate plane here. Here you have P, and here you have C, right?
Yes.
Yes, type. Now, to graph the relationship, guys, we need to form table and what we called them yesterday, ordered pairs, right? Ordered
Yes.
pairs. Now make this table for you guys. This table has two columns. The first column, P, which is the independent variable in the x-axis. The second column is C, which is the dependent variable, which is C. Got it? Now, to fill the table by numbers, guys, the values for P, we choose them. We what? Choose it. We choose them. Look here, guys, down here in your book, you have numbers. Here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So you can choose numbers from these numbers. It's okay. I will choose 0, 1, 2, and 3. I will make them easy for me. Now, how we find the C, Ahmed, for the 0?
0 by 2 multiply 2. We will multiply 0 by 2 plus 3.
Mumtaz. To find the answer of the 0 in C, guys, we go to the formula which is given in the question. Replace P by what?
0.
2 multiply 0, 0. Plus 3, how much? 3.
3.
Now here, guys, make the table in your book. Make the table. Now here the one. What we will do, ya Ahmed? بسرعة.
We multiply it by 2. We will replace it by P.
Yalla, 2 multiply 1, 2. Plus 3, how much?
5.
5. And the 2 also. 2 multiply by 2, 4. Plus 3, how much?
7.
7. The 3. 2 multiply 3, 6. Plus 3, how much?
9.
9. So I fill the table, guys. I choose these numbers. And here I replace each number in the formula and find the answer and fill it here. Now I will make what? The ordered pairs. The ordered pairs. It's brackets and comma, and here we have two numbers. What is 0 connected with a 3? How we write it?
0, 3.
0 and or to graph these points on the coordinate plane, and we talked about this yesterday. How we graph 0 and 3, Ahmed?
We will find the we will find 0 in P, and then we will find 3
This is
in
the axis of P. We go to the 0. This is the 0. And we go up until we have what?
we have 3.
This is 0. Go up until we have 3. This is the 3.
We will search for P, 1 in P and 5 in C.
So I will go.
Yes. We
Up until I get 7. Right? Point in P, I will until I get the
Yes.
guys response. After finish, what I need to
We will draw the line. It should be straight.
we will draw the line starting from the first point up to all the points. The line should be straight, all of the points. Okay, guys. Don't forget you need to make the graph point and make line. You guys, I don't want to see line. I want new students. Hisham, yalla Hisham. Hisham.
Sir, yes. Example
Yalla
2.
Hisham. Yalla read.
Martino constructed the graph that shows the height of his cactus after several years of growth.
First, the question gives us the graph, right, ya Hisham?
Yes.
Continue.
Assuming the cactus grows at a constant rate, write an equation from the graph that could be used to find the height.
Thank you. Bas yabni.
cactus after-
Thank you. Thank you. Now, here the question gives us the graph, okay? And the question wants us to write what, ya Hisham? Write what?
The number of height. Do we
Yabni,
consider
write what?
H?
Yabni, read the question.
Write an
Here, Yabni,
equation
write
from
what?
the graph.
Best, thank you. So here the graph is given and the question wants us to write an equation from the graph. Do you understand the idea, ya Hisham?
Yes.
Now, to write the question, guys, to write the equation, we need to do the opposite thing here, the opposite direction. The graph is given. I need to make what? A table from the graph. Do you understand, ya Hisham?
Yes.
How we make a graph or table from the graph, guys? We take a look to the points on the graph. See the graph in front of you, ya Hisham?
Yes, we will look at
What
the
is
points.
the independent variable? G or H? We have G here and H. What's the independent variable?
The independent?
G
Mr.
or H?
G.
G. So the independent variable G and the dependent variable is H. So here, guys, we make a table and we put the first one G, the second one H. And we make how many points in the graph we have?
3.
3 points. I will make it 3 sections. Now let's find the first point. What are the numbers of the first point? The coordinates, we call them. This is the first point, ya Hisham. See it?
Yes.
What is the first point? Tell me.
It's G is 1 and H is 42.
Mumtaz. 1. Look here. 1 and what?
And 42.
Good. Now the second point, Hisham, what we have from the graph? Surah.
2 and 44.
and 44. ممتاز. The third one.
The third one we have 3 and 56.
ممتاز. 3 and 46. Got it? Now we have the table, right?
Yes.
What we will do now, we will write the graph. In the previous lesson, guys, we write formulas from tables. Remember? 1 step and 2 step. صح يا هشام?
Yes.
Do you understand that lesson?
Yes, I understand it very
Good.
well.
Now, yeah, how we will find, here we have 1 step or 2 step. Let's check together.
We have 1 step.
Let's check. Yeah, multiply 1 by 42. How much?
42.
1 multiply 42 is 42. Up 2 multiply 42. How much?
2 multiply
84. It
42.
is not 44, right?
Yeah.
So it is not 1
Yes.
step. It is what?
2
What we
step.
have here?
2
It
step.
is 2 step. Do you know how we find 2 step equations?
Yes.
Well, I made a video for you guys, I think, right? Remember?
Yeah.
Did you watch the video, Hisham?
No, Mr. It was not
Why, ya
open.
Hisham? Huh?
I don't know. It was not opening.
لا يا مستر, it's opening. Just try, okay? Just try. Now, in the video, I explained for you guys how we made 2-step equations from a given table. Do you know how to make it, ya Hisham?
Yes, yes.
يلا. هشام توك يا ابني, توك, لا تضيع وقت, توك. يلا.
We will multiply 1 multiply 42 equals 42, but 2 multiply 42 is 84.
So it is not multiplying. So I need to make 2 steps now. How? Do you know or you don't know?
We will multiply and subtract.
No, mister, we will multiply and add. Look here, look at the board, look at the board. Watch the video, Mr. Hisham, okay? Watch it. The title of the video is 2 steps from tables. It's only 4 minutes.
Okay.
Now, we subtract, yabni, 44 minus 42, how much?
44 minus 42
how much?
equals 2.
هاي 2. بنحط 2 ونحط عليها circle. See?
Yes.
Now, 1 multiply 2, how much?
2.
2. Plus what? Huh? Plus what? To be 42. Plus what here?
Plus 40.
Plus 40. 1 by 2, 2. Plus 40, 42. Let's apply it for the 2. 2 multiply 2, how much?
4.
Plus what to be 44?
Plus 40.
Plus 40 also. Let's do it for the 3. 3 multiply 2, how much?
6.
Plus what to be 46? The answer of the 3?
40. 40.
So what we do here, we multiply the values of G by 2, add 40 to get the values of H, right?
Yes.
Do you know the formula?
Yes.
What is it?
What, mister? I can't hear
The
you.
formula. يبني the formula. You said yes. What's the formula? Do you know it?
The formula. No.
What we are doing here, Yabni, we multiplying by 2 and add 40, right?
40.
So
Yes.
what's the formula? Do you know?
No.
طب, these values for what, ya habibi? These values. This is the previous lesson, guys. هذا الدرس الماضي, يعني المفروض انكم خلصينه. What are for whom? For which variable these values, Yabni?
For G.
For G. And these values here, for which variable?
For H.
For H. Now look here. G multiply 2 plus 40 equal what?
H.
H. So look here, G multiplied 2 plus 40 equal H. Means the formula will be H equal G by 2, we write it 2G plus 40. This is the formula. Do you understand it, Yabni?
Yes.
What you will do today, ya Hisham, you will watch the video. Huh?
Okay.
It's important.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Good boy. This is example 2, guys. Let's do the check quickly after example 2, page 420. بسرعة. We have checked page 420. Omar Ala.
Yes, Mr. Yes, Mr.
Yalla. Omar, do you understand?
Yes, everything is easy.
Omar,
Read
read بسرعة.
Yes. Okay, the graph shows the approximate number of inches of rain or that is equivalent to S inches of snow. Write an equation from the graph
بس.
to find
The graph is given,
the
right?
total
لحظة
inches
شوي.
of the
Omar, the graph is given, right?
Nice.
We need to write what?
Yes.
The formula. Now,
Yes.
from the formula, we make the table, right?
Yes.
Yeah. What's the independent variable? The horizontal one is R. The dependent is S. Shake.
Yes.
Yeah. Give me the first point here. What we have from the
We
graph?
have 1 and 10.
And 10. We have 1 and 10. The second point,
2 and 20.
the third point.
3 and 30.
Now, let's figure out the formula together. How the
So
one
we have
becomes
four.
this 110?
By multiplying 10.
By multiply by 10. Let's check the others. 2 by what to be 20?
2 by 10.
2 by 10. 3 by what to be 30?
By 10 also.
So it is one step or two step like what we did, me and Hisham?
No, 1 step.
It is one step. So do you know the formula?
Yes.
What is it?
V multiplied 10 equal S.
R. This is R, not V.
Yes, R. R.
R multiplied 10 equal what?
Equal S.
S. How we write it? S equal?
R multiplied 10.
How we write it? R multiplied 10.
10 and R.
نعم.
10. No, R.
10 and R.
Yes, 10 and beside it R.
يعني اكتب 10 and beside
No.
it. ها شو
No, no.
اعمل؟ ها شو اقول؟ شو اكتب؟
Put 10 and beside it R.
ماشي 10 and beside it
No.
R. ها شو اعمل؟ ها احكي لي. شو اكتب؟
Put 10.
لا مع بعض بدي اياهم انا.
10 and R.
ما فيش and يا ابني. الغي
10 R.
امها الان هذه ما بدنا اياها. شو نكتب؟
10 R.
10 R. Do you understand? 10 R.
Yes.
Okay. This is the check page 420, guys. Copy it, please. Again, guys, in this lesson, we have two ideas. The first idea, the formula given, and we graph like what we did in the check. The second idea, the graph is given, and we need to find the formula like we did with Hisham here and Omar Ala here, okay? It's important lesson and it is cute lesson. It's beautiful. Okay? Now, in your homework, guys, if you see your homework, you have 4 questions. You have 4 questions. The first 2 questions about the first idea, which is the formula is given and you will graph. How you graph? You make the table, you find the ordered pairs, you graph them and make your line. If the numbers are not given, you choose numbers 0, 1, 2, 3. It's enough. Okay, guys? It's easy. The second 2 questions here, the second 2 questions about the second idea. If the graph is given, you need to find the formula, as we did here and here with your friends. Okay, guys? That's all for today. Hope you understand it very well. If you have any questions, you can ask me in Classera. Don't forget your online assignment. I think it's only 5 questions today. And do your homework, send it to Classera. If you have any questions, you can contact me. Thank you so much and have a good day.